My question is really, some of the kafir would accuse us of oppressing non-believers. How do we answer such an accusation?
If they're accusing us of oppressing them, the hell with them. So, who cares? This is our country, akhi. We're Muslims. Are they oppressed? No, they're not oppressed. So, as I always say, when you walk down the street and a dog barks at you, will you fall on your hands and knees and bark back? Why not? Because he's a dog and I'm a human being. So not everything the kafir, the disbelievers say against us, we have to be defensive. No. Islam is not like that. Islam is not like this. The hell with them. I have a bigger fish to fry. I have lots of Muslims to invite to Islam, teach Quran, teach Sunnah. I don't care about what the kafirs say. And there are specialized da'is and scholars and students of knowledge who can reply to them. I do not want to spread myself thin. So Sheikh Assim speaks in economics, he speaks in politics, he speaks in science and medicine and comparative religion. What is this? Jack of all trades, master of none. No, focus. Specialized people answer specialized questions. And for my role, I'm just General Maskeen coming from Saudi Arabia, giving nasiha, giving reminder. Well, you have, alhamdulillah, your scholars, you have your ulama. So don't pay attention being defensive. Every time someone says, hey, why do you speak only Malay? Okay, I speak English. Why do you speak English in a Malay country? Oh, so you damn if you do, damn if you don't. No, move on. Don't look at criticism and questions that are worthless. They don't have any value. Be proud of your religion, be proud of your Quran, and ask yourself, do I oppress non-Muslims? No. I don't care about what other people do. I'm not going to defend them. You ask me, Sheikh Assim, you oppress women. So, okay, prove it. Said, no, because Muslims oppress women. I said, okay, I'm a Muslim, but I don't oppress women. Show it to me. I live among females, 13 daughters, previously 2 wives, and my mother. What are you talking, oppressing women? So I don't care about what others do. Talk to me about what I do, about what my Islam says. I hope this answers your question.